Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can turn a horizontal video to vertical using Filmora. So vertical video is pretty much the only format that is compatible in a lot of platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and also YouTube Shorts. So you want to make sure that your video is vertical, and perhaps it's better to just convert an existing horizontal video into vertical rather than creating something new, because it's going to take a lot of work. Now there is a feature in Filmora that lets you turn a horizontal video to vertical easily. So for example, I do have this video. This is the original video and this is just horizontal video, but I got the vertical version. It is exactly the same video, but it is being reframed to this aspect ratio, and I literally don't have to do anything. It's done automatically. So here's how you can do it. So for example, I have another clip here. This is from Boston Dynamics, a robot that being recorded in the horizontal aspect ratio. Now, in order to turn it to vertical, you have to right click on the clip. Do not put that into the timeline yet. You have to right click on the clip that you have imported into your Filmora project, and then click auto reframe right here. This is the menu that you're looking for, and then you can select the aspect ratio that you want to turn the video into. So there is 9:16, which is the opposite of horizontal. There is also 1:1, 4:3, etc. But I'm going to be sticking with 9:16, which is vertical video. And then motion speed, usually auto is good enough. It is basically just the transition or the movement between one section of video to another. I think the auto section is better than choosing it manually. And when you're done, you have to click analyze right here and just wait until it finishes. Usually this process is going to take just several seconds if the clip is not very long, but for a longer video this could take several minutes depending on the power of your computer. Okay, as you can see, this is the result. This is the frame where everything will be captured. So far so good. Now the robot is rising. You can see that it is framed exactly on the area of interest, the area where there is a movement. So this is actually AI. There is AI running on this program, so it is very good at detecting the movement in the scene. Now, when you're done, you have two options. Either you want to export it as a separate video, or you can also just import this reframe version into the timeline. I'm going to be selecting this option. And okay, so I guess I'm going to be following the size of the video. Exporting auto reframe. And actually the video is being exported, so you're going to get another video, another 9:16 video, and this is the video that has been converted. This is the original. So vertical, horizontal, and there you have it. That's very simple. Just clicking a few menus, and now you got a horizontal video converted into a vertical video in just less than a minute. So that's basically it. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.